BMW just signed a $25 per hour contract for humanoid robots, same as their lowest paid line worker. Today, humanoids hit wage parity. The deal, 40 robots, 3 German plants, Spartanburg, Munich, Regensburg. Leipzig pilot starts this summer. And here is why this is the moment. For 70 years, robots could only do simple repetitive tasks. The cost of programming each new task was higher than human labor. That math just flipped. The robot, Figure 03, built by Figure AI, the same company that raised $1 billion at $39 billion valuation last week. Their factory ships 1 robot per hour, heading for 1 per minute. What it does on the BMW line, sorting parts, loading machines, handling assemblies, anything a human worker in steel toes does, the robot does, for $25 an hour. The math. BMW's lowest paid Leipzig line worker, roughly $25 to $30 per hour, in 2026 wages plus benefits. The robot, 25, including amortization, equal. And here's the part to sit with. In 12 months, robot inference costs will halve. Hardware costs drop another 40%. By 2027, that 25 becomes 12. By 2028, 6. By 2029, you can do the math. When robot labor costs less than human labor, every CFO in manufacturing has to do the same arithmetic. BMW just gave them all the green light. Mercedes already has Aptronic. Hyundai just bought 25,000 Boston Dynamics Atlases. Tesla, GM, Toyota, they are all watching Leipzig. The factory worker, as we know it, might already have an expiry date, not in 50 years, in 5. And Leipzig starts the clock. From zero, one breakthrough, unpacked from scratch. Every week, subscribe for the next one.